Pastor Omotosho, is this goodbye permanently?
Nigerian televangelist Timothy Omotoso was expected to jet out of the country yesterday, you guys. Now, the Sunday World reported that Omotoso has left the country, you guys, and we see images of him which is shared on all social media platforms of him at the airport where he was leaving South Africa for Nigeria. Now, Omotoso has escaped attempts by the National Prosecuting Authority to have him reincarcerated. This comes after the NPA recently announced plans to appeal an Eastern Cape High Court judgment that acquitted Omotoso in two other criminal charges, resulting in a public outcry. Omotoso was acquitted on all charges in April after the pastor of the Jesus Dominion International Church spent 8 years in prison. He had been accused of luring female congregants to his church and forcing them into sexual acts. He was also accused of restricting their freedom to live. His co-accused senior church members Lusanda Solani and Ziki Swasito were also acquitted. It is unclear if he plans to dash out the country with Solani and Sito. If he does not leave them, the pair could face the reinstated criminal charges without him should the NPA's appeal be successful. Omotoso leaves the country after he was arrested on May the 10th as immigration officials tried to deport him. Omotoso leaves the country after he was arrested on May the 10th as immigration officers tried to deport him. He was, however, released from police custody after he appeared in the East London Magistrate Court on Tuesday on a charge of contravening the Act of Immigration. Based on this, the department said Omotoso should be deported back to Nigeria. Omotoso was challenging the decision to deport him. However, his lawyer argued that his arrest and deportation should be suspended pending the outcome of his deportation challenge. The court then ruled that Omotoso cannot be detained for more than 48 hours without being charged. This as per Section 34 of the Immigration Act. Meanwhile, the NPA said it will appeal the court's acquittal of Omotoso and his co-accused on rape, human trafficking, and sexual assault charges. The NPA spokesperson, Advocate Mthunzi Mhanga, said the decision to appeal follows a thorough consideration of the matter by its team of experienced prosecutors and legal opinion from senior counsel. The NPA's Director of Public Prosecutors in the Eastern Cape, Mr. Perrin Madolo, has denied to appeal the judgment of the Eastern Cape Division of the High Court in Gqeberha, delivered by Judge Ina Skoman on the 2nd of April 2025, relating to the case against Timothy Omotoso and two others. And just yesterday, Timothy Omotoso was flown out of the country after the court instructed him to leave the country and never set his foot in the country for a period of over 8 years.